Hey, it's Mike from Maker Moose. I've mostly used up the stickiness on this. The back is still good. It's the front. I did so many cards on this. So many, part of my holiday card series. I did so much heat embossing. Anyways, it started to lose its stick, so I've got a replacement here. I've just pulled the backing off, and I'm just going to line this up. I'm going to stand up to do this. Just going to line it up with the lines there. Okay. So I'm just starting at the top, and I'm going to hold here and just slowly go down. I didn't line up perfectly, but that's okay. It's off by the smallest amount. This I'm going to throw away. I don't need this one. The one on the front here I do want to keep. So if you have a brayer, it's good to just go over it, make sure there's no air bubbles. And then the little corner here, just find that little dip. I like to put my thumb there when I peel the first time because it is really sticky. And there we go, brand new grid sheet, ready to do some stamping. We'll see you next time.